Hello my bro. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the current video, I will provide information on what is new in this update. I will also provide information about what items will be present in the Battle Pass. Let's watch the video bro. Let's go. Battle Pass items. Here are some items that you can get in the Battle Pass. You can see, there are some new items. For the KF-21 Borami aircraft here it is included in the VIP pass, so if you want it you have to buy it with real money. But you don't have to worry, here you can see for the B-1B Lancer bomber and SMX-31 submarine you can get it just by completing missions every day. The big update is out in alpha test. We have not raised the version yet and left 0.48.0 for the alpha test. This update is focused on the 3D aviation game mode and reloaded the next battle pass. Main innovations, fully three-dimensional flying has been added to the game. Flying is done in two modes, which can be switched in the game settings. 1. Arcade. Control of the plane is completely the same as it was, only it can still fly upwards. 2. Professional, Ace Combat. In this mode the control of the plane is completely in manual mode. Speed control buttons are added, and the stick is responsible for the position of the plane in space. Only for very experienced players. It also includes X and Y inversion settings. As well as an assistant control of the aircraft, it monitors the altitude and targeting. The practical aircraft ceiling is now 5,000 meters. In hover mode the F-35 and Harrier planes have a mechanics of stalling, falling, the aircraft. New items, planes and ships, B-1B Lancer, T-3, U.S. strategic bomber with high-precision guided bombs. KF-21 Borami, T-3, South Korea's newest advanced multi-role fighter. The aircraft is made in stealth version, but there are no internal hatches for missiles as on the 5th generation aircraft. Mi-35 Hind, T-3, Russian transport and combat helicopter of round-the-clock application, designed for destroying armored armament and equipment, landing and fire support of ground troops units. AH-1Z Viper, T-3, strike helicopter of the USA used up to now by the Marine Corps. The helicopter is equipped with composite 4-bladed main and tail rotors, upgraded avionics and an improved sighting system. SMX-31, T-3, a futuristic design for a French electric submarine. Thanks to its small size and hull contours it has unmatched sailing performance. Added unique Dragon camouflage for CN-Type 058 ship. Remastered RF Piotr Veliki ship. Meet him in his new look. More complete information, you can read it in the video description bro. Until we meet again in the next video.